Buyer versus non-buyer keywords. This is perhaps the single most important video in this entire course. Nothing else in the entire process of building Amazon affiliate site can be more important than this key distinction. Buyer versus non-buyer keywords. The vast majority of folks attempting to build Amazon affiliate sites do not know this key distinction. They can't tell a buyer keyword from a non-buyer keyword, and they target the wrong types of keywords on their site, spend a lot of money and effort in trying to rank them, and end up not making money even after spending several months creating content and hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in link building costs. A site targeting buyer keywords that gets 100 visitors a day will make a lot more money than a site that gets 1000 or even 10,000 visitors a day but targets non-buyers. So, what are buyer keywords? Simply put, these are keywords with a lot of commercial intent. Anyone typing in these keywords is looking to actually buy something right away. Non-buyer keywords are those with no commercial intent. Anyone typing in these keywords may be looking for information or entertainment, but is not remotely interested in buying anything now. For instance, consider the following set of keywords. Let's call these keywords set A. Best 32-inch TV to buy, best kitchen cards, website to buy tickets, buy O-tickets, where to buy kitchen islands, best lighting for galley kitchen, kitchen island reviews. Now, take a look at this set of keywords. Let's call these keywords set B. When did humans first appear? When did World War II start? First humans in North America? Join Facebook? Inspire people? What started World War I? How to change a kitchen faucet? Why is kitchen safety important? Can you see the difference? The first set of keywords are used by people looking for products to buy, either right now or in the immediate future. They have a desire, and the only way to fulfill that desire is to buy something. On the other hand, the second set of keywords is used by folks looking for information or entertainment. They are not looking to buy anything, either now or in the immediate future. They have a desire to, but that does not require them to buy anything. That said, there's another kind of keywords that you want to entirely avoid targeting, and those are the ones that have the word free in them. Someone typing in keywords like free Wi-Fi, free coupons, free ebooks, free TV shows online, free internet, and more is not looking to buy anything, and they are not likely to buy anything no matter what you say on your website. So you want to avoid targeting such keywords altogether. It is easy to see that any website that targets keywords like those in keyword set A will have a far higher chance of making money than a website that targets keywords like those in keywords set B. Keywords in set A are all buyer keywords, while those in set B are non-buyer keywords. Buyer keywords have a very high commercial intent, while non-buyer keywords have very low or even zero commercial intent. This is a vital distinction. Your affiliate site should target mostly buyer keywords. It's alright if your site has a few pages focused on non-buyer keywords. It is sometimes a good idea to have a few pages written around non-buyer keywords to make your site more helpful to your audience. but you would not want to expect these pages to generate any revenues. Virtually all of your site's revenues will come from buyer keywords. The more of these you have on your site, the more money you can make every month.